What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to talk about what to do when you lose your focus as an internet marketer. If you haven't experienced it already, you will definitely do it from time to time, and then it is good to know a few tips on how to get back on track as soon as possible, of course. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so it's nearly impossible to stay focused 100% all the time as an internet marketer or online entrepreneur there. So what you need to do is actually keep in mind a few things to get back on track when you lose your focus during your journey there. So that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today here, and I know that a lot of you actually they come here for the latest make money online opportunity, the latest PayPal application and so on, but trust me, this kind of information is probably more worth than any other video that I'm sharing with you. So make sure you stick to the end of this video to get all the valuable content here. Alright, let's get started with tip number one, which is you have to accept and recognize first of all that you actually lost your focus there. It is super important to tell yourself, acknowledge, recognize it, because otherwise you will just fight against it. So tell yourself, okay, I lost, so what do I do next? Okay. Next thing, which is super important, and I shared this also in the past. I did a video actually, I think it was the first days for this year, where I talk about creating habits and a routine to reach your goals there. And I talked about meditation. Meditation has tons of benefits. It will help you. You will feel much calmer. You will get back on track and feel focused. Don't overcomplicate this. It is super easy to do. Basically, all you have to do is you just sit down, relax, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Now, when you do that, you will probably get tons of stuff in your head there, okay? You will get reminded that you need to shop, you need to do this and that is totally okay. Because when you get all those thoughts there, all you have to do is actually get back on track and focus on your breath. That's the whole point of meditation. So don't overcomplicate it. And I can guarantee you that if you sit there for 5 minutes, put a timer on, okay? Put a timer, sit there for 5 minutes, and you will definitely feel much more calmed and you will get back on track really fast. Okay, the next tip would be that you need to write down your why. Why are you doing this? What's the reason why you're doing this online journey? Okay, and just to say that I want to make money is not a why. You need to go deep into this. Are you doing it for your kids, your lifestyle, that you don't want to work for someone else? Why are you really doing it? Okay, so write down as specific as possible, because when you lose your focus, you will have to read, you will go through it and you will get reminded on why you're actually doing this. Okay, next tip is about vision. You know the old saying, one picture is worth more than 1,000 words. And that goes the same with this, okay? When you can, actually when you meditate, a good tip would be to visualize, okay? You need to visualize, put yourself in like in a movie and watch yourself as you already succeeded and achieved your goals there. That is super important. Another good thing that a lot of marketers do is they create a vision board. They take different pictures and they have it you can have it actually in your screen. I have it online these days, but you can actually just find some pictures from magazines and stuff like that on things you want to accomplish, the house and so on. And it might sound silly to you, but it definitely helps to get you back on track and stay motivated. Most important, because you will also lose motivation, of course, when you lose your focus there. So make sure that you visualize and make some kind of a vision board with goals and things that you want to accomplish. Alright, next tip, take a break. Take a break, stay away from the computer a bit, do some kind of exercising, also very important. So make sure you just leave your computer there, go out for a walk. No matter what kind of exercise you're doing is better than no exercise at all. So it doesn't matter if you're going to take your dogs for a walk, if you're going to run, or if you're going to the gym. Me personally, I found that 3 times a week going to the gym helps me a lot, and I get back on track. I feel so much better, relaxed, and I stay focused actually a lot more than if I didn't go to the gym. So that is what works for me, but you have to find out what works for you. Also, you will need to find a balance, okay? Balance between your online journey, your private life there. Do things actually that you enjoy, to have fun. This is the most important thing. I'm actually going to start to take dancing lessons from next week. I've been procrastinating on this for many years now, but I decided that I want to do something else to have fun while I'm doing this, okay? So I'm going to start to take some dancing lessons, and with that I will step away from my computer, from my online journey, and I will do some other things. So you need to find a balance there. That is super important. And as I said, exercise will help you a lot. No need to go into details, the benefits of exercise. So with that being said, take a break, exercise, and find a balance also. Another tip is if you can find some kind of accountability partner. It doesn't have to be someone that is involved in your niche exactly, okay? So don't expect that he or she should be involved in internet marketing, but more to keep you accountable and just to ask you a few questions on what you have done, what's your progress and so on. That will help you to start to think actually and get you back on track to stay focused, okay? So if you can, and if possible, find some kind of accountability partner. All right, another bonus tip here, the last one, would be that if you can participate in some kind of a mastermind group, you should definitely do that also. It can be online or offline actually. It doesn't matter. That will also help you a lot to get back on track. Now I am in a mastermind group with 6 people there. We meet once a week and we talk about how our week has been with our journey on our diet, on our business and so on. We talk about everything and that helps a lot. So I can guarantee you, make sure you find 5 or 6 people should be pretty ideal, no more, because then you won't get the opportunity to participate and be so active. So 5 or 6 people is definitely a good way to participate in this kind of groups, and that will help you also a lot to talk about how your journey has been there once a week or twice, or I don't know how often. You can do this twice a month actually. But any kind of mastermind group will definitely help you a lot to progress, of course. Okay, so that is about how to stay focused, how to get back on track, and what to do when you lose your focus. Now, if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my channels. You find an end screen here with 2 channel recommendations. Subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation here. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you soon.